Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV. This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Hello, it's Easter Sunday, and we are going to be grilling some steaks and pork chops today. So we will be showing you what we're doing with that. And I'm also going to be doing some butternut squash in my Instant Pot. But I don't have a little pan to put the squash in like the directions tell me to. So I'm just going to lay them on the trivet and see how it turns out. I've never done squash in the Instant Pot yet, so this is the first time. So wish me luck that it turns out all right, and we'll see you on the other side. Okay, moment of truth. The lid is about to come off. Well, it looks great. I will get the fork, stab it, and see if it's tender. Oops, sorry for the steam. Oh my goodness, look at that. I am totally sold. That's gorgeous. Absolute gorgeous. Look, it's just going right through so smooth. Awesome, awesome. Okay, I will get the food plated up and take a picture for you. And you have a great day.